Sean's gonna feather the throttle a little bit in the crane, and off it'll come. It's gonna be tight to bring it down. We don't have much of a drop zone here. We've tried to clear out some of this material. There's a few limb-lock branches up there that could possibly break, but we've got a clear zone underneath, and there's going to be some stuff breaking when he comes down through the tree because we definitely don't have enough space to put the tree down in. We're working on the side of primary wires here on the left again, and on the right we've got every communication wire known to man, secondary wire running to the house, and a telecom wire back there. So it's pretty tight. See what Sean can do with this. There she comes down. Bunch of hungry tree processors right there getting ready to get dirty and dusty. All right, guys. Well, thanks for coming along for the ride. We'll get you back when this thing's down to the ground.